So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 8th of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Pisces, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. We have the Three of Pentacles. I'm getting Three of Pentacles a lot today. So Pisces, someone around there is feeling like this situation is still recoverable if both the parties are ready to put in the effort and energy. Maybe they feel like taking help from somebody in the situation can help the situation to connect better or reconnect better. Let me clarify the Three of Pentacles as their feelings for you. We have the Six of Wands, Judgment, the Justice. Yeah, this is somebody who feels like bringing the stability, bringing the balance, the justice back in the situation. They still feel this situation can be worked out. This situation can be restored, okay, by forgiveness, by talking it out, by forgiving each other. You know, it's like somebody definitely feels like the situation is still having this energy of making it work out by talking it out, by forgiveness. So somebody is feeling like reconciliation is possible, coming back together is possible, and the situation can be healed, okay? Yeah, so it's a sudden realization. Somebody is suddenly realizing that this situation is still workable, that you guys can still make this work out. All you have to do is to talk it out. All you have to do is to be fair and to be in this energy of, okay, being very honest with each other about things, about feelings. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? High Priestess. So you feel like you should just listen to your intuition and not say much or do much about the situation. You should just keep your energies and keep your emotions to yourself. Okay, let's clarify the High Priestess here. You just feel like connecting with your intuition as much as you can. Stay in tune with your intuition, stay in tune with yourself. We have the Three of Cups and the Three of Wands and the Fool card. You feel like giving it a little thought, you know, before jumping into any kind of conclusion, before jumping into this connection or reconnection, reconciliation, whatever you call it. You feel like taking your time before jumping into any kind of conclusions. Even if the conclusion is to leave the situation forever, or the conclusion is to stay in the situation or make this work out. So you feel like taking some time. You feel like you should just not show any kind of excitement or this kind of energy of rejection. You should just take your time and think about it from all the possible angles. Yeah, you feel like taking the charge back from the situation, sitting in your power and trying to understand that what you should do and what you should not do. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Sun card. Their intention is to bring the happiness back in the situation as it used to be at some point of time, or as you guys visualized at some point of time in the situation. Okay, let's clarify the Sun here. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Devil. Yeah, this person wants to bring the stability, the happiness back in the situation and let go of the third parties, the manipulations, the cheatings, the unhealthy patterns, the upsetting energies. Whatever was missing in the situation, whatever was bringing unhealthy kind of energies and sadness and depression in this situation, they want to sort it out with you. They want to bring back the happiness, the stability, the long-term partnership. If it was a marriage, this person wants to protect this marriage, save this marriage, and work on this marriage. Now I think you're out of the situation. I think you're 99% out of the situation, and now somebody is thinking about coming back together and sorting it out with you in some way, because now they're getting this aha moment of, oh my god, I'm losing Pisces, or I lost Pisces already, so now I have to do something about it. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you want something stable on the table, but I think you want something new. I think you are done with the old. You are in this energy of I want something fresh and new on the table, and something very, very stable. Let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles. We have the Five of Wands, the Star card, and the Sun card. Yes, you just don't want any more drama in your life, because whenever you think about this particular person that you were dealing with or still dealing with but not connected to on that level, it always brings the drama, the conflict, the fight, the issues back, so you want to heal yourself from this chaos, you want to protect yourself from this chaos and this drama, and you just are very, very sure and very, very clear in your intentions that all you want is a brand new person, brand new energy with a lot of stability, with this commitment kind of energy of the yes, I'm there for you, like if not for the rest of my life, like at least for the long term. So you want that kind of energy in your energy field right now. You're still scared of opening up though to new people, new energies, new connections, but you want it. You're like, I'm scared, I'm hell scared, but I know this is what I want, so I'm going to go for it. Overcoming the fear and going for it. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 8th of September, honey, Pisces. What could be the possible outcome of the situation here? We have the Eight of Cups. I do see you detaching from people, situations, or things that are not like serving you anymore, especially this connection, this situation. I do see you thinking about it a lot, but at the same time detaching from it and not going towards it, as at least for the time being. Let me clarify the Eight of Cups here, Pisces. We have the Strength card, the Seven of Pentacles, the Chariot. Yeah, you're slowly but surely walking away from a situation, but in the background still waiting and hoping for some kind of miracle to happen and something to shift. I don't know what is happening. So maybe you're giving the illusion of walking away from something or someone to them and to yourself as well, like, yeah, I'm walking away from the situation, I'm no longer interested in them, but in the background, like looking back again and again and seeing what's happening, or seeing like what's coming behind you. So it's like walking away or detaching from something or someone completely, and very determined to do that, but at the same time again and again looking back and trying to understand like what the hell is going on behind your back, or what's coming behind you. It's like that. Yeah. So it could be both of you playing the same game, but it's like detaching, walking away from each other, especially you, Pisces, walking away from the situation, but at the same time looking behind your back again and again and thinking about what's happening, what's coming, and still walking away. Yeah. It's like detaching and watching from something or someone from a distance and trying to learn from it. Trying to learn from it big, big, big time. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Pisces. Let's see what's happening. We have the Page of Wands, the King of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, honey. Before jumping into any kind of conclusion that you are in love with something or someone, try to understand, is it love, is it just infatuation, is it just your need of being with some other human being, or is it just this energy of wanting to be someone, wanting to be with someone, and that's why you are just being with someone. So try to balance your emotions, try to understand your emotions fully before you are going to jump into any kind of conclusion of, yeah, this person is my love, or is the love of my life, or this situation is good for me, or I should proceed further, or I should do this, or I should do that. Okay, understand your own emotions fully and completely, because love is a very strong word, very powerful emotion, and if you're feeling for feeling it for something or someone, try to understand, like, is it deep, or is it just for the time being, or is it something that you can live with or cannot live without. So trying to understand your own feel, like imbalanced kind of energies, balancing it out and understanding whether it's for the time being or just for the need of the hour or something like that, and then making your decisions based on that is going to be easier for you, right? For your, like, for the betterment of your future. So this is what I'm getting for you guys, Pisces. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.